Okay, so we're just going to go over how to use a pretty basic propane camp stove. So the first thing is there's a pipe here. You typically, this is pretty standard, you have to attach this, secure it to the valve here. And so for this one, you screw it in. It doesn't have to be super tight, just finger tight. Let's see. Yeah. That's the part that goes to the propane tank. There's the windscreens. Then you just screw the tank right into this part, into the valve. These typically last, I don't know, depends how high you turn your stove. They typically last for hours. Then to light it, you just need to, there you go, exactly. You just need to put the flame in. I mean, for safety's sake, you should light the flame first and then turn the gas on. And then you can turn it up. It'll be the same for the other one as well.